Welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I'm Catherine. I didn't want the space above our headboard to be wasted, so I really wanted a very impactful piece here. And as you know, this is my last DIY. And thanks so much for the love. You guys have really been downloading that template from my blog. But guys, I do want to say this. Sometimes you have to consider the color of the wall before you decide on the color of the items that you place there. You see, gold on tan is not very impactful, so I knew I needed to do something. I did a lot of research and I looked at a lot of bedrooms, and later on I'm going to share some of them with you. So I taped off my wall about 6 o'clock one morning and I began to paint this wall. That also included my white outlet cover. I covered the tops of some screws that I'd like to keep there because I do like to swap out my artwork. For good coverage, I painted up and down and overlapped every single time. And I was able to get this done in about an hour and a half. And just a coat of paint made a world of a difference in this space. It really did pop the mirror above the bed, and this is no longer a low impact focal wall, but it now has that wow factor that I was looking for. Just a coat of paint. Now, I made my duvet cover as well as my pillow shams. There are videos on iCards in the top right hand corner, so you can click on both of those and see how simple it is to do that by using two sets of sheets. Let's jump right into our inspiration. These works are done by professional interior designers. The photographs were taken by professional photographers. I look at photos all the time for inspiration, and I know a lot of us do on YouTube. If it's not Pinterest, we're looking in a magazine or a blog. Guys, I get inspired when I see these things because I know that there are so many possibilities out there. So I hope that you will enjoy these photos and perhaps stand in your bedroom and look at an area where you can create an impact, whether it is the head of the bed, the wall there, or if it's along a fireplace. But you can definitely find an area of impact and drama. So create those spaces in your bedroom. You may not have Vant panels or even drapery above the bed, and you may choose to do a beautiful work of art there, or do a collection of things that you have collected from your travels. These are things that will inspire your creativity throughout other areas in your home. And I thank God for interior designers who have put their works out there for us to be inspired. And if you're in business for looking for an interior designer, by all means go for it, because they can certainly help you get started on the right path, even if it is just one space in your home. I love to look at magazines. So happy watching, and I hope that you get some creativity out of this and get inspired. Now continue watching as I bring this video to a close. I hope you found some inspiration for your bedrooms, and I'm really excited to be back in love with my shades of blue. I've missed it. Major kudos to all of the professional interior designers out there. Thank you for inspiring us. Guys, if you're not a subscriber, please consider doing so today. I've got drapes to make, canvases to paint, and lamps to update. So I hope you'll come along for the ride. If you're not a subscriber, please consider doing so today. And remember, ring the bell, meaning you'll have your notifications turned on so you'll know the next video has been posted. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, stay in prayer and stay creative.